Hello people, welcome. You want to see how I achieve this pork meat plantain pepper soup? Watch this video to the end. So this is my pork meat properly cleaned. I added onion, pepper, I added pepper soup spices, I added crayfish. Yeah, I'll be adding pepper, powdered Maggi, salt, ginger powder, garlic powder, white pepper. So yeah, I'll add in 2 cups of hot water and I'll cook it for 45 minutes. So yeah, I added my plantain, all my returnees. Thank you for always returning. So yeah, it is cooked. I added my basil leaf. Like and share this video. Follow for more amazing video. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.